What are data types? Okay, like in Excel we used to do the formatting, whether it is a text, whether it is a number. If it is a number, we need decimals uh, or not. Okay, how many decimals we need, whether it is a percentage column, whether it is a date column. If it is a date column, what date format we need. So all this add up to your data type and data formatting. Okay, and assigning proper data type to each column. So here, if you see on each column, besides the column name, you have the data type showing up as ABC. ABC means it is a text type. Okay, you see on the, if you click on that ABC, okay, and you get to see these are the various data types available in Power Query Editor. So we can see here it is ABC text. Okay, this is fine. Here again we have a document number, it is ABC, it is fine. So this is where we got to check our each column and ensure that we the data types are relevant to the data content within each column. Okay, we have to check uh, properly and thoroughly to ensure there are no mismatch of data type. Here again it is the data type is selected as date properly. Here but we have a time also associated with that, which we don't need because we are not doing any calculation on time in this scenario. So how we want to change, we can change this to only date. Okay, click on that particular column and select date into into that data type and replace whatever recording earlier it has done, and it will change. Okay,